morning, Wayfam from Canggu in Bali.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a little thumbs up, it helps us out a lot, and be sure to leave a comment down below.
As you saw, we had this amazing villa that we're staying at. We're here with our friends, The Endless Adventure, and this place is so nice. It's 840,000 rupiah, which comes out to about 60 US dollars.
It actually seems like a lot of money, but it is not. For what you're getting, this is a great price, a beautiful place, and such a good deal.
So that 60 includes 2 rooms, plus we have access to the pool. It's a shared villa, so we have a shared space down below, but we get the whole upstairs with the Endless Adventure. That is pretty cool.
We're here for only 2 days, so we paid about $120 in total.
Like for both of us, both couples.
For everyone, yeah. It's amazing.
Awesome. But I'm getting kind of hungry, so how about we go for breakfast and maybe, just maybe, we'll see some more friends along the way.
You guys are going to love it.
Oh, yeah. Hey, how's it going? Nice to see you. What's going on, man? You okay?
Hello again.
See you again, man.
You're gonna wait for me. Hello.
How's it going?
Nice to see you. Yeah, good.
Iced latte. With no sugar.
This is why I can't be the leader, guys.
This is every day with Amy. This is my life.
Only got this one.
Just great. Josh and I always try to avoid ordering the same thing, but we always end up ordering the same thing, even if we try not to.
I didn't even hear what she said, and I was like, yes, I would like the bagel breakfast, and guess what?
The photos.
I feel like he wants to be like me, and he's just saying that he didn't hear me, but he really did, and then he wants
She's not that cool. Don't flatter yourself.
I'm that cool.
We would like to, I think, we haven't well, we want to do Greece and Italy.
Yeah, we haven't spent enough time in Italy.
Guys, can you believe that? We spent almost $1 million on lunch. No joke. We spent over $800,000 on lunch. That's crazy.
It's too annoying.
You can be in my music video.
Oh, I like it.
I just wait for it to dip.
Test it out, see how we go.
Yeah. Have you driven before?
I crashed on that road.
All right, brunch is down, and we have invited everyone back to our villa for the afternoon. Maybe hang out by the pool, see if we get kicked out of there. There's no parties allowed there, obviously, but this isn't a party. This is just friends hanging out. But look at this scenery on our walk. This is just incredible.
There's no like.
Oh, not them. Sorry, I meant the actual. But they're great too.
They have.
Stephen's doing introductions for them on their channel. They've never been on their channel before.
They're staying at this place as well. Yeah.
Kicking It showed up to the party now.
This afternoon we spent some time hanging out, hanging by our villa. Josh got some work done, got a vlog up, and so yeah, that's really good. But also us girls sat down and kind of mapped out some areas within Bali that we're really interested in visiting. We have 2 days where we're going to have some van drivers, and they're going to take us around spots that we're interested in. So that's going to happen, and we kind of planned that out all together, which is super fun. And then us girls, I don't get very much girl time. We kind of went to some shops, which was great, just to look at things. This area seems a bit overpriced, and we didn't buy anything, none of us. But for now, we are all headed to the beach. We're gonna grab some drinks. It's happy hour time, so hopefully we can get some good prices and good drinks. for drinks, but the thing is that Flying Nest, they got coffee, and Craig got a coconut, and I got a virgin pina colada. Josh got a milkshake. Amy got like lemon juice.
Well,
so
cool.
a drink ain't really a drink, except Endless Adventure, they got their beers. We decided to go with the red snapper. Now at this place, it's a barbecue, so you can choose whatever meat that you want. There's tons of choices. And then they have a whole salad bar that you can go down and choose whatever you want. You can get the filet without the bones, but I really wanted to try the whole fish. That's what Josh and I decided to share. It's red snapper. It just falls apart in my mouth. That is so good. And it's super smoky, so you can taste the smokiness all through your mouth. You saw.
She's literally picking the bones clean.
It's so delicious. And there's so much meat on the bones. Like, you don't want to let that meat go to waste. It's so good.
All right, we're just done with dinner. Eric's packing up. We just had such the greatest conversation, just chatting with everyone for probably like 2 or 3 hours.
We do this every time. We meet up with other YouTubers and we just talk YouTube the entire time.
But we need it. It's therapeutic, and
We
like
learn so much,
We
too.
we
It's
do. We learn
awesome.
so much. I learned so much from Eric just like the last 2 days talking with him, and then
Shorter than you.
and then Flying the Nest
Yeah.
and kicking it. It's so great to talk to everyone, and of course they're like some of our only friends. I don't know about you guys, but you're some of our like core group of friends, which is kind of
It is
crazy to
very
think.
true.
Yeah, it's pretty
Been
nuts.
cool hanging out.
Thank you so much. All right, Wave fam, that was a fantastic day. I feel like we didn't film a whole lot, but it was like an intro. Whenever you meet up with old friends, you just have to catch up.
Yeah, and all of us were filming, so if you're
Yeah.
interested in seeing everybody else's points of view, definitely check them out.
They're all linked in the description down below.
Yeah.
But especially when we want to give a shout out to King in It. Those guys deserve way more subscribers. So make sure to check them out. But also check out all of our other friends.
Yeah, we just feel so privileged that we get to have these friends.
They're all
and
amazing people.
Get to learn from them this next week. And yeah, we're going to be in Bali for a while, guys, so we have a lot of content coming your way, so keep an eye out for that.
But also keep an eye out for our Way Way branded merch.
By buying Way Away merch, you guys are supporting us, but also it's a way for you to support us and get something back, which
Yeah.
is so cool. And as well as you can share it with your friends because, you know, every time you use your phone, here it is.
It's cool. And the spring stuff is only available during spring. We'll probably come out with new summer designs and colors for summer. So if you like the blue or the pink or the two special edition stuff that we only
Or a
have.
really cool towel that we have right now.
Exactly. Make sure to check that out. That's
Thanks for
also in the link below.
Thanks to those of you who have already purchased it. It's pretty awesome.
We've already
to
got
see.
some photos of it, and it's pretty
Yeah.
sweet. All right, so that is it for us from tonight. We're going to enjoy Bali and share the whole thing with you. So, Wayfam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Goodbye in Indonesian. We'll figure that out soon.